Hi everyone, and welcome to Multisensory Monday. Today's activity is a very simple activity that can be used to help with students who have trouble with blending. Have you ever had a student like this? They see the blending board, they know all their letter sound relationships. They go w, a, g, and then they just get stuck. You ask them to blend it together. You tell them, okay, bring it all together and read that word, w-a-g, and they're stuck. What that student needs help with is blending phonemes. As I'm sure I've mentioned before, the underlying skills of phoneme blending and segmenting are essential for students to be able to transfer that to letters and use it with reading and writing. So what can you do to help that student who's stuck just saying each phoneme? Like I mentioned, the activity is very simple. All you'll need is a piece of string. Well, this is actually 3 colors of string that have been tied together. We have green, yellow, and red. What you want to do is have the student use the string to help them get a sense of what it means to blend those sounds together. So while they're touching the first piece of string, they say the first sound. As soon as they hit that knot, they say the second sound, and then when they hit the other one, they go on to the third sound. And just like their finger is going to be touching the string the whole time, they have to make sure that they're saying the sound the whole time. So they're starting to blend those sounds together. They're going to start to move quicker and quicker until they can blend together the word. So it would look something like this. Let's go back to our example that you saw on the blending board earlier. They would go w-a-g, w-a-g, wag, wag. And having this multisensory tool gives them something tactile that they can do and is an excellent representation of what you want them to do with the sounds. You can use this even before students are ready for the blending board. You can simply give them 3 sounds, and together you can practice pulling on the string as you blend those sounds together. Now, the other skill that students are going to need to be successful in reading and spelling is phoneme segmenting. This is the exact opposite of what we were just talking about. We were just talking about bringing sounds together to read a whole word. Now we're going to be talking about taking a word and pulling the sounds apart. To help with this, you can once again use your handy-dandy piece of string. Little bit different procedure though. This time you're going to give the students a whole word. Let's use the word dog. And what they're going to do is they're going to start to slow down saying the word dog as they pull the string. And by slowing that word down, it will help them hear the individual phonemes. So it would look something like this. D-o-g. D-o-g. And as you can tell, it's much easier to hear the 3 separate sounds d-o-g after the word has been slowed down. So, if you have students who are having a little bit of trouble blending and you notice that on that blending board they're stuck on just saying the 3 separate sounds, or if you have students who need a little bit of help segmenting, they need to be able to hear the individual sounds in a word, go ahead and get yourself 3 colors of string, tie them together, and try out this really great simple tool for phoneme blending and segmenting.